What's up, YouTube? All right, so today we are going to try out something I've never tried before, and these are laundry detergent sheets. Found these online. Somebody was talking about them on Facebook. This is the Earth Breeze brand. I'm sure there's many other brands out there that do this. I've never heard of these until recently, so I'm going to give them a shot. Now, apparently, this is enough to do 60 loads. And this right here by itself saves me a ton of space in my laundry room. And there's no plastic, so that's perfect. So looking at this, I did get the fresh scent versus the unscented. Apparently you can cut a sheet in half for smaller loads. I'm going to use a full sheet because I have a large load in the wash now that I'm going to use one of these on. And we're going to see how it works out and see if it stands up to the claims. And typically I don't really like using laundry detergent because you always end up using way more than what's necessary. And if I'm not mistaken, a full cup of liquid detergent is really enough to do about 5 loads of laundry. And then the pods themselves, which is what I use, it says you need to use 2 for a large load. And I never do. So I'm going to go ahead and give these a shot and see how it works out. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so here we are. We went ahead and opened up our package. And this is the sheet. Fits in my hand. And so we're going to drop it in. I guess just like that. Just double checking the instructions here. So yeah, for top load, place inside washer on top of clothes. And it looks like you can also do front load with these as well by putting it in the detergent dispenser. So there we go. It's on top of the clothes. Let's get it going. I always use cold water. And here we go. We'll see how it works out. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is just a quick update on the detergent sheets. And I put these through cold water with 1 sheet for the load. I didn't cut it in half because I didn't want to go through the hassle, so I threw one in just to see what happens. I let them sit in the washing machine for, I don't know, maybe an hour or 2 after it was done, just to get the most harsh conditions. So they were in the washing machine all wrinkled up and damp. Then I took them out and put them in the dryer with no dryer sheets. And I usually use a dryer sheet, so this is without a dryer sheet. They're not really folded for, presentation or anything. But actually, they don't really smell very strong. There's a faint scent from just the detergent itself. But the fabric is actually really soft. And again, I did not use a dryer sheet. It's actually softer than usual. And I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I would assume it's a good thing. And I say that because it feels like maybe there's no residue, maybe no detergent residue left in there. There was no serious wrinkling. I even left them in the dryer after the dryer cycle for about an hour or 2 before I pulled them out. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say that they were clean. And like I said, I use cold tap water. Tap cold is what the setting is on my machine. 1 sheet, full load of clothes. Normal cycle, nothing fancy. Let them sit for an hour or 2 after in the washing machine, and they still came out good. There was no stretched collars or anything of that nature. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say that the sheets work. It does say if you want more of a scent to go ahead and double up on the sheets that you need for your load. But overall, yeah, I'm happy. I'm not too worried about the scent for the sheets because, like I said, I use something in the dryer anyway that adds a fragrance, and I don't want to have to mix fragrances if I don't have to. So yeah, give them a try if you're looking to save the planet or reduce your plastic or even save space in your laundry room. Here, let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me walk over here real quick. Saving space. So you've got You got this versus this, or that, or that. Saving space right here. All right, well, hope you learned something. On to the next.